Hello team, welcome to the first session of web development and content creation. We are going to look at what all are the basics of web development in this particular session. Now, to get the thing started, we have to understand that what exactly is web development, what exactly is website development. So, to give you a context, I have a client, okay, and for which I have created a website. Right. So there is a particular requirement for the client. Okay. And I'll use this particular website as a reference for you to understand the process, how a website is created, how a website is edited, how you're going to host a website. Okay. So first things first, what exactly is a website? So to establish your digital presence, we are creating a particular web page that would guide a visitor that what all services, what all products you offer, right? It will tell you about the particular assignee of the project. Okay. So here I have an astrologer client for which I have developed a website. Okay. So in the website, what you will enter first about the person, what he is, okay, and what all services are provided through him, okay, and to integrate the images, the animations, that is a different part, okay, that will cover in content creation. So a website will contain the description about the person for which you have created a website. There will be some contact details. There could be a store if you want to create a store, e-commerce. I'll teach you how it is created. Then you will have the services page. Okay, so what the person is particularly offering. Okay, you can integrate forms. Okay, so if I enter something and submit, so it will go to the assignee. Okay, and for example, blogs are there. So you can get the thing started with blogs and how to monetize the blog. That is a different aspect which we will cover in the upcoming sessions. So a website looks like this. Okay. First, you'll have the introductory part. Okay. You will introduce yourself or the client. Okay. You'll have a contact page. You'll have the services page. You can have a e-commerce store. You can have blogs. Okay. So these are the basics of a website, how a website particularly looks. Okay, so now coming back to the topic, I'll present this once again. Okay, so I have shown you how a particular website can look, what all features are there in a particular website. All right, so this website was created using Hostinger. Okay, so it's a no-code platform. So why I am emphasizing so much on no-code and low-code platforms? Because most of us do not belong to an IT background. Okay. So that's why I'm emphasizing on no code and low code platforms. So that could be very easy to understand, comprehend, and execute. Okay. So what all are the features of a no code website? Okay. So it can be very easy to comprehend and execute. Okay. So you can easily share this particular technology with your colleagues or family members or business partners. The reason why is if I want to, if I am not available for some time, and if some other person wants to edit the website, so it is very easy for him or her to edit the website because you simply have to go to a particular section and edit the details. That's it. So it is very easy to share amongst your colleagues and business partners or even family members. Okay. So the next thing which is beneficial for us in this particular instance is you don't have to hire anyone. You don't have to outsource anything. Okay. You can just do it yourself. So this is one of the most crucial aspects of web development. with no code or low code platforms. So you don't need to outsource to a agency that would cost you thousands and thousands rupees. So if you want to create a website, host it, buy the domain, and get that live, so that would cost you roughly from 10 to 15,000 rupees. Okay. And if you want to maintain the website and do all the changes, so that would cost you another roughly 5 to 7,000 rupees a year. So depending upon the agency to which you have outsourced this particular project. So if you are using hosting or any other no code, low code platform, that would cost you roughly around 2,000 rupees a year. Okay. And if you buy a domain at a good budget or good deal, you'll get that in roughly 400 to 500 rupees a domain. And depending upon the duration, you can buy it for 3 year as well. So your 3 year cost would only be under 5,000 rupees. That's it. And you have one benefit that you can share it with your colleagues and business partners in your absence, and you can do it without any issues. Okay. So this is particularly for non-technical users. Okay. And how you can edit a particular website using no code development is very, very easy. Okay. You simply have to go to manage. I'm just giving you an overview because now we have not started to edit the website. Just giving you an overview that how a website can be edited. So how simple is it? So since we are in the session of getting the thing started with no web development, okay. So I'll guide you that how easy it is to edit a website. Okay. For example, if I want to go to the blog, okay, and blog, if I'm changing it to blogs, okay, update website, and then I'm simply going to click on the created website, view website, blogs. Now it is changed to blocks, right? So it is that simple. I believe you might have understood till now that how easy it is to edit a website because you don't have to deploy any changes, you don't have to host a server, own a server, right? So no code development is that easy. All right. So I hope you understood that how easily a website can be edited. Okay. So coming back to the topic. So you have the flexibility, you have all the things. Okay. So this was just introduction to the web development. So in next session, we'll talk about the content creation. Thank you.